Hey guys, it's Bear, and today you might notice that my watch is missing, so what we're going to do is we're going to make custom watch faces. I'm really excited for this, and so let's get started. So I'm going to pull out my sketchbook, and I'm going to start drawing. This first design is something that I've done a lot recently. So we're just going to draw a little puppy with paint, and so I'm getting out my real notebook now and starting to draw the real thing. Side note, this did not work because I was drawing it landscaped way, so it didn't work on my watch face, but it's still fun to draw. So I'm just drawing like drips on her head as paint and stuff like that. And then the paint bottle, you know, you can really see my shadow in this shot. So now I'm going to start coloring her in a nice chocolate brown for the dog. And then I'm going to outline her. Now, continuing with the drawing, it'd be nice if I could stay in the frame. So just going to continue drawing, and now I did a rainbow spot on the paint, like it's rainbow paint or something like that, whatever. And so there she is. She's really cute, and so what do you say we do a new drawing? Yeah, let's do a new drawing. So flipping the pages. And let's go. So, what am I doing? We're going to clear everything out of the way first. And now we got my practice one. This one is probably my favorite because it I was debating about like making this our channel icon. I'll try it. But it looks a lot better than this in the end. So basically I'm really good at like calligraphy and stuff, so that's what I'm doing in this. I took a shiny metallic pencil and then kind of did like a drizzle in the background almost. This is hand cramp mode right here. Like my hands hurt really bad. So now I'm just going to color in the bear with rainbow, and then I did a little YouTube icon, and now I'm going to sign it. I have a new signature. It's Bear with a paw print, and the reason I chose that is because I'm Bear. So let's work on another one. So I love Winnie the Pooh, and I had a zoom on my table, so I'm just going to draw that real quick. This one's really quick one, so that's what we're going to be doing. And so I'm continuing on with my design. So this one like took me like 5 minutes. I just colored in yellow, drew a face. It did start smearing a little bit, so I tried to fix that as much as I could, but it wasn't the best. So this is not my favorite, but it did work. I'll only show you the ones that I did in the end. This video took me like over 4 months to film, so yeah. So now I'm going to be drawing one of my other favorites. It's donuts. I thought this one looked so cool, and it was inspired by a drawing that I had done in the past, and it was just like a bunch of clocks basically. So I'm going to be drawing frosting on the biggest one in the front. So basically we have drizzle, sprinkles, another drizzle, M&Ms, and then a plain one. Yeah, and then a plain one. So I'm going to be coloring that in. Coloring it in again. This took me so long, and the hand cramps were real. Very, very painful. This might have been 8 o'clock at night or so. It was getting later. And so I'm going to continue drawing this, just coloring it in. Now I'm doing the outline to it. Fixing up any like little details. Now I'm coloring in the tan for like the donut, and I'll be signing it now. Oh, well, not yet. I'm going to be doing the highlights now with a white Posca. So just drawing those highlights. I closed the book before it was ready, so it might have smushed a little, but I went over it later. So once I finish this, I'll be doing my signature. I think the highlights really make it pop a lot. So just finishing those, because I did like 5 donuts. They look so good. I'm hungry now. So just continue doing that with thick highlights, smaller ones, you know, where I think they need them. My highlights aren't always accurate, but I still like the look of them, you know. So we're going to be finishing up with that. I did a lot of highlights. Okay, and then I signed it finally inside the circle of the donut. So this one I forgot to put in time lapse. So it's sped up, but not as much as the others. So basically, this one didn't work either because I did it in landscape. This just says paint, basically. But I thought it would look really cool, even though it didn't work. I still enjoy drawing all these, even though some of them didn't work. It's just fun to have in my notebook, honestly. And then once I finish the notebook, hint for a new video, this will be a while from now, but I'm going to get a plain white notebook and paint it, or color it, whatever I want to do. The time will get there when the time gets there. So I'm going to work on this with my mechanical pencil dying every 2 seconds. That was not planned, but it's what happened, sadly. So now I'm just going to write words that I think describe paint. So like beautiful, luscious, glossy, a bunch of different words. So that was me trying to spell luscious and asking my Alexa to spell it for me. So yeah, I'm going to keep spelling a bunch of words. Liquid, because it is a liquid, so that's glossy. Let's see. Beautiful. Yeah. So now we're going to bring in the color. Oh, no, another word. I can't see it. Move your hand. Oh, shiny. There we go. Are we going to bring in the color now? No, another word. What word is that? Oh, mix. Yeah, I was trying to think of another one, so I was like, well, you mix paint, so does that work? Yeah, sure, why not? It's gonna work. So we're just going to, oh, color. Color was another one. And now we're going to do something, oh, is it outline? I can't see because there's a box. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, we're coloring in now. Yay. Yay. So the P is blue, the A is purple. Yeah, so I kind of went with the sketch type look, you know, because I thought that would look cool, you know, like the kind of sketch in, because it's kind of like colored in type look. I wanted to paint it, but I am in my art room, and in my art room, it's upstairs in my bedroom with carpet on it, so I can't use paint up here, and I didn't really feel like filming downstairs because the next day was a school day for me, so I just colored it in, but I still think it looked really cool. This one is pretty quick because my hands are starting to cramp and I wanted to do another one. So it was quick but really fun. So now we're just finishing it up with the final and signing it with my Sharpie that needs to be replaced because I keep using it on things like wax. So I just signed Bear in there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. That's my current watch, which I did draw in a video. Not really, it's just a sketching a little something video, but if you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe. So this one's my favorite. It's the one that I chose. I took it today. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye!